Hi, it's the Rawesome Vegan Gal here, and today I'm doing a video for a brand that is called Remedy Organics. So this is a product I found in the store, and I've actually heard about this company before, but I decided to try this out. This is just one of their beverages. They actually have quite a few as far as I know, and I also have a link below to their website to check out all they offer, and I haven't tried their products yet. So this is, again, it's Remedy Organics. This is their Vanilla Keto. It's a beverage, they call it that. This is what it looks like, the package. And it's a 12-ounce bottle. It's USDA organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan. It's got only 1 gram of sugar, 4 grams of net carbs, no added sugar, 16 grams of protein. It's also BPA-free container. It's also kosher. Let's see what else to tell you here. It's got a whole bunch of really good ingredients. MCT oil for digestion and energy, maca for energy, coconut for heart health, prebiotics, which is good for gut health, that helps actually feed the probiotics, and protein. And this was from a woman who, her name is Cindy, and she is a holistic nutritionist, and she wanted to work on creating plant-based beverages which have functional ingredients to enjoy anytime as a healthy meal replacement, satisfying snack, or pre-post workout boost to fuel your daily lifestyle. So that's really great. So I thought I'd give this a try. And I think you should shake it up before, I'm not sure. But if it says that, it says, yeah, shake well. The ingredients may separate. Also, what else to tell you about it? So it's one serving. It's got 230 calories, so that's a whopping good amount of calories if you need to fuel yourself. It's also got 25% vitamin A, 10% calcium, 20% vitamin D, and 2% magnesium, because there are added vitamins. There's a vitamin blend in here. Besides the other things I mentioned, there's also pea protein, date paste, they use sunflower lecithin, so use a lot of different interesting things, calcium from seaweed, so just so you know. So let's give it a shot and see how it tastes. Open this up. I always like to give things a smell, and I can smell the coconut. It almost smells like cocoa butter, like you have it, like people use at the beach. It has that smell. So let's give it a shot. Ooh, it's nice and thick, more like a smoothie. So let me go ahead and try that. It's nice. It's got a creamy flavor. It tastes sweet, but not from sugar. They use date. They also use let's see. I think they use erythritol in here. Yeah, organic erythritol. It's nice. It's very smooth. And I can almost taste, I think, the pea protein, but it's nice. Maybe I was expecting something different, but it actually tastes really good. Has just the right balance of sweetness to the protein. So yeah, I think I'm going to be enjoying this, and maybe I'll have to check out some of their other products as well. That they do. So yeah, really good, nice taste, nice flavor. I love vanilla, so I don't know where they use, what kind of vanilla they use. It's let's see if it says on here. It doesn't say on here where the vanilla is, even though it says there's vanilla in here. I'm looking at the ingredients and I don't quite see vanilla. I see the vitamins, so maybe they're in here and it's just they forgot to put it on the list, because I actually do not see vanilla at all. So maybe I'll let them know that. So I hope you check this out. Again, this is from Remedy Organics. This is what they call Vanilla Keto, but again, I don't see vanilla on the packaging, so maybe I'll let them know and they could correct that. And I thank you for watching. It's the Rawesome Vegan Gal.